Hi y'all! Thank you for watching my channel. So today's video is gonna be just a little bit different. Still hair. You know, I eat, breathe, sleep hair. I have a client on. Today is Monday, January. Oh my gosh, it's Martin Luther King's birthday. Okay. Shout out to Martin Luther King Jr. Today is Monday, and I have a client on Thursday of this week who wants me to install a wig on her hair. And she dropped the wig off to me that she purchased, I know a lot of y'all have seen this before on, you know, Facebook, Instagram. Luv Me Hair Company. Look at that pretty box, y'all. She's pretty, right? This box is pretty. Purple is like royalty. Now, this is gonna be straight up honest. Nobody has paid me. Nobody has sponsored me. Nobody has asked me to do diddly. So I just thought, I know me, I'm always watching hair reviews. Like, I have probably seen every review that has ever been posted on YouTube. So, I do see that it is so hard to filter through what's an honest review and what's a paid review. And you know what, I'm not even gonna say that the ones that are paid are not really honest, but it's hard to decipher who is actually kind of embellishing a bit because the company is giving them free hair or money or whatever. I don't know. All I know is that nobody give me anything. Nobody asked me to do this, so this will be 100% honest. I have been in the hair industry since 1997. I'm telling my age, but I know a little something about hair. So I'm gonna be coming at you with a very honest, knowing hair perspective. She dropped this off to me a couple weeks ago, and I haven't gotten around to looking at it to see what it is that needs to be done to it. But she did tell me what she purchased, and we're gonna unbox it together. I know, like me, y'all have seen the videos on social media. Those wigs look amazing. Like, what lace, what wig, like, girl, you grew that. You grew that. That's your hair. We're gonna see what the real tea is. So, let's get right into it. It's undetectable lace, and the knots are bleached already, and it's pre-plugged. So, let's see what we got. Let's put her down. So, comes like this. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luv Me Hair. That's so nice, Helena. Thank you for your well wishes. And then as we peel that paper back, there is the star of the show, y'all. There is the star of the show. So let's start here. Now, I've seen this in just about every Luv Me hair review video. Everyone gets this, like, I guess it's like a little makeup pouch with little whatnots in it that are gonna aid you in getting your wig together. I think that's a nice touch. So, you got bobby pins. Everybody could always use some extra bobby pins. If for nothing at all, girl, you could scratch your ear with these. Girl, I'm telling you, it'll make your eyes roll in the back of your head. Don't act like it's just me. Okay. We got, I've seen this on all the Luv Me review videos. Luv Me Hair has a wax stick. Yeah, a hair wax stick. So if you all, you know, don't know what this is for, it's for like the little short hairs, the little flyaways. You just kind of paint that on like so, and it helps to just smooth everything out, lay those bad boys down, because nobody wants to see a bunch of short hairs sticking out, okay? Then we have a pair of tweezers. This is to get that hairline. Uh-oh, the little piece that was holding it together just fell off. This is to get that hairline together, right? We don't want to walk around with, you know, Barbie doll hairlines, you know? So, however, I could already tell by the way these tweezers feel, they're real, like, they're not strong. So, I probably won't use these to pluck it, but a nice touch, something, you know, it's free, yay, you know. And you have an elastic band. This is if you want to wear your wig without gluing it down. If you don't want to use any gel, any spritz, and no glue, you have said band. All right, and last but not least, you have a Luv Me. If you want to rep the brand, I want everybody to know I got on a Luv Me wig. A Luv Me clip. That's really cute. It's a nice touch. So, Luv Me if you just want to rock that like, love me, honey. So that's all of said contents that were in this makeup bag. I've seen some people get flat irons in their wig orders, but I believe you probably have to spend a certain amount of money to get flat irons. This is what y'all have been waiting for. Let's open her together. She's in a beautiful purple bag. Let's see what she's talking about. Okay, girl. Who are you, Luv Me Hair? Introduce yourself. I'm Rhonda. You are straight. I see that. Let's take you out of said hairnet. This is how she comes, y'all. She has her hairnet on to keep her hair together. And she is stuffed to keep her shape together. Okay. All right, let me examine it and give you my thoughts. So she is a full lace wig. This says undetectable lace. Okay. I've had thinner lace, but this isn't bad at all. That's not bad. And it is pre-plucked. Okay, she is pre-plucked. You see the pre-plucked hairline. Okay. You know what? You know how pre-plucked hairlines on, you know, frontals, wigs, they're pre-plucked, but it's like they pre-pluck a certain area, or should I say they just don't ventilate it as dense around that front part, and then just behind that you could still see that line of demarcation, and it goes from thin to just dense, and then you still have to go in there and pluck to make the thinner hairs. You want it to look like, you want it to get thicker gradually, not just be thin and thick. You know what I mean? This hair is actually been ventilated in a manner to where it's not that hard line of demarcation right behind the hairs that have been plucked. Does that make sense? So I can kind of appreciate that, because if you don't pluck this, it won't look bad. Let's measure her and see what length this is. Do you all do this when you order hair? Like, I like to know what I asked for is what I got. So let's see here. I'm just gonna pull the hair right out of the middle. Okay, we're gonna go straight from the rooter to the tuda. And we actually have like 13 inches of hair. She feels She feels fine. Now I will say it's not a high quality hair. Could definitely tell that. There's quite a few different lengths in the hair. Now let's give her the smell test. She doesn't smell like anything. No harsh chemical smells, no corn chips. That is the worst. So now let's check out these knots. Let's check out these pre-bleached knots. Can you all see that? The knots are bleached. It's not bleached in the back. Is it necessary? And you got 4 combs in there. Got one in the top, one on each side, and then you got one in the back. So there's the undetectable lace. Can you see it up against my hand? See the lace? I could tell by the feel of the hair, it's not a high quality hair. I just know, I just have worked with a lot of hair. However, I still feel like this wig can definitely look nice once it's installed, cut, styled. Yeah, it can definitely look the part. Will it last you forever? No, ma'am. But it will get you to the party. So this concludes my initial thoughts. And in the next like couple seconds, y'all are gonna see me in the salon installing it, or it's already gonna be on her head.